Matt couldn't be here today, unfortunately, so I want to walk you guys through one of my favorite treats to have, and that is easy peanut butter and banana sandwich. So you got to get yourself a banana first, and this one is really ripe. Oh, it smells really good. You want it to be super ripe, so we're just gonna open it up. Good, exactly what we're looking for here. And what we're gonna do, yummy. I love it when they're this ripe. Take the bread. We're gonna cut up, no, we're not. We're not gonna cut up the banana, because why do that? We gotta save time here. Just smear it on. Perfect. It looks great just the way that it is. Now we're gonna grab our peanut butter. Luscious. I like the smooth kind. All you need to do is I want to taste it. To lick it off my fingers. Spread that peanut butter on. You know what the French call this actually? Panne Du Banana. Get your peanut butter and just use your hands and just smear it. Good, just like this. See it? It's so easy. Yummy, it smells great. We're gonna get the honey. We need to open it up. This is actually Peace River honey that we're using. It's spicy, it's luscious. Smell how good that is warmed up. We're tasting. We're just gonna smear it all up. You know what? I like to miss the bread entirely. No, we're forgetting the cinnamon. Oh, pardon me, I lost my head today. We're just gonna get the cinnamon and just a little bit off the, woo! I like it spicy. We've got ourselves a perfect sandwich. And okay, we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it down the center so then we can see what's inside. We're gonna cut it into 4. Here, not to hurt yourself. Look at how perfect this ends up being. Just get a little taste of this. I'm gonna dive right in. So good. You're gonna wanna try this at home. The recipe's available at panneandcookies.com.